As of now, the Veterans Home in Huntsville does not have any coronavirus cases, but that can't be said for other state veterans' homes. At the Alexander City home, 25 residents and 18 staff members tested positive. 2 of those residents have died. 2 employees at the Bay Minette facility have also tested positive. Pell City does not have any cases. 700 residents in total live at the 4 state veterans homes.